Mongolia, a powerhouse in coal, copper, iron, petroleum, and gold production, faces unique challenges in material transfer due to its vast and remote landscapes. Introducing EDDY Pump, offering cutting-edge solutions with advanced slurry pumps and durable equipment to enhance efficiency across Mongolia's crucial industries. Seamlessly aligning with Mongolia's industrial needs, our equipment tackles material transfer and infrastructure maintenance challenges amidst diverse geographical complexities. Choose EDDY Pump for flexible rental options tailored to the coal, copper, iron, petroleum, and gold industries, providing immediate access to top-notch equipment without long-term commitments. From handling abrasive materials underwater to managing large volumes of water and slurries, our equipment ensures efficient material transfer across varied terrains. Our self-priming slurry pumps overcome remote mining challenges, ensuring seamless transport of resources in isolated sites. Navigate Mongolia's landlocked logistical complexities with our versatile equipment, facilitating efficient material transfer even in regions with waterways associated with mining activities. Streamline infrastructure development in rugged terrains with our adaptable solutions, essential for establishing and maintaining facilities for material transfer. Choose EDDY Pump today and elevate your efficiency in Mongolia's competitive industrial landscape. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.